Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to close a door without making any noise at all. Alright, so I'm standing in front of an open door, and now I'm going to show you how to close it without making any noise. You're going to hold on to the handle and you're going to unlock it all the way. Even though it's open, you're going to turn it all the way so that it's fully unlocked. And then you're going to shut the door, shut it all the way, and then lock it all the way. Alright, so that's how you close the door without making any noise at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.